All right, another fresh arrival. 2024 CRV LX all-wheel drive, urban gray, black interior. This one's got tinted windows, LX model, only 19,000 miles on it. It's the new body style, all this newest technology, safety features. Check this one out. Just came in, again, 19,000 miles on it. Honda certified. They check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Fluids, filters, brakes, tires, all the stuff up to Honda specifications. So it can be backed by a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Good at any Honda dealer in the United States. 2 sets of keys, books. We give you 6 oil changes and 6 tire rotations with the purchase of any pre-owned vehicle here at Victory Honda of Plymouth. Let me show you the inside here real quick. Nice black interior. Both sets of keys are in there. It's going to go through a detailed, professionally detailed inside and out. There's the miles. There's the screen. Again, both sets of keys right here. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3500.